In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a tally form. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go into your form and you want to publish it here in the top right. Whenever you do that, go to the settings cogwheel here at the top, and what you want to do is go to share, scroll down, and here you want to select one of the options to actually embed your form wherever you want. You have the standard, the pop-up, and the full page, so you can click on either of these, and they're going to basically give you a preview. So this looks like that, the pop-up looks like this over here on the right, and then as you can see, the full page will look like this over here. So I'm just going to go with the standard right now. Then what you want to do is change the options over here. If you want to, you have the option to change the height and all of these different settings over here. You can toggle these on or off. Now, when you've done that, you can click on get the code. And there we go. As you can see, you can then just copy the embed code over here. So click on the copy button, go to your website or whatever you want to embed it, and you can just paste it in, of course, like a code block or inside your code. Click on, of course, confirm, and there we go. Now, currently, I am on this, of course, embed code tester over here, but if you are on your actual website, it's going to work exactly the same way, okay? So that's how to embed tally forms. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.